Hey everyone, welcome to Over Channel. In this video I will show you how to find duplicate entries in Excel. Here you see a table of order numbers which runs 20 rows. Let's say you wanted to find if there are any duplicate order numbers in this table. How would you do it? One way to do this is to sort this data based on order number, and then see the duplicate entries. So let's see how to do that. I'm going to select the data, and then under the Home tab click on Sort and Filter, and then click on Custom Sort based on the order. Then here select order number and largest to smallest. Then click on OK. Here you find duplicate entries manually. But this is not a practical solution as the dataset is pretty long, and this is going to be very time-consuming. Let me show you a quicker way. So let me undo the sort which I just did. OK, and I'm just going to an ID or column. Now to this data, let's add a column called Duplicate Flag. This cell is going to check is there any duplicate values present of this particular order number. So let's go. Select the cell and enter the formula. Equal, count, if, open parenthesis, $, B $, 2, colon, $, B $, 20, comma, B2, close parenthesis, and enter. Now, I am going to copy this formula over all columns. They're in column E. You see the occurrence of this order number within this list. Now, you see all number of duplicates in column E. Now you have learned how to find duplicates in Excel. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.